Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a place, a land far away, steeped in history and brimming with innovation. Have you ever dreamt of a place where ancient temples, weathered by centuries of stories, stand proudly beside futuristic skyscrapers that pierce the clouds? A place where the echoes of the past harmonize with the vibrant pulse of the present? That's Japan, a nation that effortlessly blends tradition and modernity. It's a land of beautiful contradictions, a place where the unexpected is always around the corner and where the old and the new dance together in perfect harmony. One moment, you're swept up in the exhilarating rush of a city, surrounded by a sea of faces and the dazzling lights of technological marvels. The next, you're lost in a silent bamboo grove, where sunlight filters through the towering stalks, creating an ethereal glow and a sense of profound peace. From the bow of a stranger, a gesture of respect and humility that speaks volumes, to the artistry of a simple meal, where every ingredient is carefully selected and presented with meticulous care. Everything feels thoughtful and deliberate, imbued with a sense of purpose and intention. Japan's unique blend of ancient tradition, preserved through generations of unwavering dedication, and modern innovation, pushing the boundaries of technology and design, makes every visit fascinating, offering a constant stream of new discoveries and unforgettable moments. Imagine the scent of incense at a shrine, swirling through the air and carrying prayers to the heavens, the taste of fresh sushi, a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate, the sight of Mount Fuji against a blue sky, its majestic peak a symbol of strength and serenity. Here, you're invited to slow down, to disconnect from the noise of the world and appreciate the small details that make life rich, the subtle beauty that often goes unnoticed in our busy lives. So come with me, let's embark on a journey together. Let's explore vibrant cities, teeming with life and energy, peaceful landscapes where nature reigns supreme, and the secrets that make Japan unforgettable, the hidden gems that await discovery around every corner. Whether you're a seasoned traveler seeking new horizons and enriching experiences, or planning your first adventure filled with anticipation and excitement, Japan will ignite your imagination, sparking a sense of wonder and inspiring you to see the world in a new light. It's more than a destination. It's not just about ticking off landmarks on a map. It's an experience that enriches the soul, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime and a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. Tokyo, a metropolis where ancient tradition meets futuristic dreams. It's a city that constantly reinvents itself. The energy is electric, a palpable buzz that vibrates through the streets. To grasp the scale of Tokyo, stand at Shibuya Crossing and watch thousands move in perfect, organized chaos. Each district has its own personality. Harajuku's wild fashion scene is a vibrant explosion of color. Akihabara's neon wonderland is a haven for tech enthusiasts. Ginza's elegance is undeniable. Amid the skyscrapers, you'll find pockets of serenity, like the peaceful Meiji Jingu Shrine hidden in a forest. Tokyo honors its past, preserving its cultural heritage. Visit Sensoji Temple and feel centuries of tradition. The best way to experience Tokyo? Wander. Turn down a side street and discover a ramen shop. The city rewards curiosity at every turn. Put away the map and let Tokyo surprise you. It's a labyrinth of discovery. Tokyo is the vibrant beating heart of Japan. Lose yourself in its rhythm and you'll find something unforgettable. This is Tokyo, where tradition and innovation pulse together. If Tokyo is the future, Kyoto is the heart of Japan's past. Walk the streets of Gion, where wooden houses and the occasional geisha evoke centuries of history. Kyoto's temples are breathtaking. Don't miss the shimmering golden pavilion or the endless red gates of Fushimi Inari. The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove is pure tranquility, a place where nature whispers. Kyoto's gardens are masterpieces, designed for quiet contemplation. But Kyoto isn't a museum. It's alive with artisans crafting pottery, textiles, and sweets. End your day by the Kamo River, savoring a meal as city lights twinkle. Kyoto teaches you to find beauty in every detail, from grand temples to simple gestures. It's a city that captures the soul of Japan. Here, the past and present exist in perfect harmony. Kyoto is timeless beauty, waiting to be discovered. Welcome to Osaka, Japan's kitchen, where food reigns supreme. Here, food is a celebration, an opportunity to gather and share good flavors. The motto is eat until you drop. Indulgence is encouraged. Nowhere is this more true than in Dotonbori, the city's dazzling entertainment district. Dotonbori is alive with neon and sizzling street food. It's a feast for the eyes and the stomach. Be sure to try takoyaki, hot octopus balls, a quintessential Osaka street food. Or indulge in okonomiyaki, a savory pancake grilled right at your table. The food is unpretentious, delicious, and shared with laughter. The city's rich history shines at Osaka Castle. Find serenity at the peaceful Shitanoji Temple, one of Japan's oldest Buddhist temples. Above all, it's the people who truly make Osaka special. It's this unique blend of culinary delights, historical landmarks, and genuine human connection who make Osaka unforgettable. Don't hesitate to strike up a conversation at a food stall. Locals are eager to share their favorite spots. Osaka is about more than eating. It's a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and human connection. Ultimately, Osaka is about connecting with others and enjoying life together. This city has a huge heart, and it's open to everyone. Osaka has an even bigger appetite for fun. Come hungry, leave happy, and carry the spirit of Osaka with you. Osaka is a feast for all the senses, a vibrant and unforgettable destination. Beyond Japan's cities lies a world of quiet beauty and tradition. In Takayama, stroll preserved streets lined with wooden buildings and sake breweries. Walk the Nakasendo Trail in the Kiso Valley, following the footsteps of samurai through forests and charming post towns. Visit Miyajima Island to see the iconic floating Torii Gate and meet friendly deer. Watch the sunset behind the gate for a moment of pure peace. Explore Shirakawa-go, a village of thatched farmhouses that look like a fairy tale in winter. These hidden gems reveal Japan's enduring soul, deeply connected to nature and community. The countryside offers a slower rhythm and timeless charm. Here, history and landscape blend seamlessly. Venture beyond the neon, and you'll find the heart of Japan. It's a side of the country you'll never forget. Japanese cuisine is an art, built on balance, seasonality, and respect for ingredients. Every meal is a sensory celebration, from the arrangement on the plate to the harmony of flavors. Sushi and sashimi are just the beginning. Ramen, tempura, and kaiseki showcase incredible variety. Dining in Japan teaches you to savor each bite and appreciate the ritual. Say itadakimasu before eating and gochisusama deshita after, a gesture of gratitude. Slurping noodles is encouraged. It shows you're enjoying your meal. Sake comes in many styles. Visit a brewery for a taste of tradition. Green tea, especially in a tea ceremony, is a quiet pleasure that embodies Japanese culture. These small rituals make every meal meaningful. Eating in Japan is a journey of discovery. It's food for the body and the soul. To truly know Japan, immerse yourself in its living culture. Witness cherry blossoms in spring. Sakura season transforms the country into a sea of pink, celebrated with joyful hanami picnics. Stay in a ryokan, where you'll sleep on tatami, wear a yukata, and soak in an onsen hot spring. Experience omotenashi, Japanese hospitality at its finest. Take part in a tea ceremony, where every movement is a meditation on harmony and respect. Try calligraphy, watch sumo wrestling, or learn ikebana flower arranging. These traditions invite you to be more than a tourist. You become part of the story. Japan's culture is woven from countless small moments of beauty and meaning. These experiences linger long after your journey ends. They offer a deeper understanding of this remarkable country. In Japan, memories become treasures. Getting around Japan is effortless, thanks to its world-class trains. The Shinkansen bullet train is fast, punctual, and connects cities in hours. A Japan Rail Pass is a smart investment for travelers. City subways are clean, efficient, and easy to navigate. Respect local etiquette. Bow as a greeting, keep noise down on public transport, and use the tray for payments. Japan is spotless. Carry a small bag for your rubbish, remove your shoes when entering homes, ryokans, temples, and some restaurants. Learn a few Japanese phrases. Konnichiwa, arigatou gozaimasu, and sumimasen go a long way. Don't worry about the language barrier. People are helpful and welcoming. Travel with respect and curiosity, and you'll be rewarded with unforgettable experiences. Japan is a traveler's dream. Embrace it fully. A journey through Japan is more than a holiday. It's a transformation. Here, ancient tradition and modern life blend seamlessly, challenging you to see beauty and simplicity. From neon cities to tranquil shrines, Japan offers experiences that linger long after you leave. art, ritual, and kindness are woven into daily life, inspiring you to bring intention and grace home with you. The memories, ramen in a tiny shop, 1,000 red gates, a hot spring under the stars, stay with you forever. Japan shares its soul with every visitor. If you seek adventure, inspiration, and wonder, Japan will change you. It's a journey you'll never forget. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts about countries around the world. Hit the bell so you never miss an adventure.